So, morning. How are you?
Very good.
Very good. Okay. So this is actually the second day of his surgery, endoscopic discectomy. We have done 2 days back. So now this is Shyam from Maldives. Which is your island? Heatherfish. Yeah, he's come from a very prestigious island in Maldives. He is an young guy around 18 years. He came with severe back pain. He was not able to walk properly. He came with severe pain down his right leg. Is it your right leg? Yeah. It came with pain on the right leg. He was walking with very difficult posture. So we could do an endoscopic surgery with a keyhole procedure. And today is second day. So he's saying he's quite comfortable. I think his face also looks that he's quite comfortable. He's smiling.
Hello everyone, I am Shyam Abdullah. I am 16 years old and I am from Maldives. I first came to know about Estamis cortical back in 2019 as it was the year my father had surgery for back pain. His recovery process was extremely good and within a few months he has been healed completely. In my case, what happened was back in 2020 I was playing regular sports in last few months of 2020. Back then I was feeling back pain, but the pain wasn't that severe. But unfortunately back in February in 2000 this year, while I was playing badminton, all of a sudden the back pain I was experiencing for the past months became unbearable to the point that I could not move at all. The pain was so extreme and it continued in the weeks to come. So the surgery I did was called PELT surgery. Since my father has a successful surgery here, I knew I had to come here to get my surgery done too. The surgery I did was called PELT surgery. Dr. Faisal was in charge of my surgery as he was extremely nice and fun to be around. He explained in great detail the whole surgery process and it made me out less scared about the whole thing. So the surgery was successful as I am able to do things that I have been difficult in doing before, such as I had difficulty in walking, laying down and sit. But now after surgery I can now sit properly, lay down and walk properly. Without a doubt, Estamis is one of the best hospitals out there. The staff and the welcoming are extremely nice. And I especially thank all the staffs who are working here, especially Azhar, for taking care of everything from the very
Just do the routine examinations and then we'll make him walk. He had severe pain. He couldn't even lift his leg up to this before the surgery. So now it's just going above. It's improving, definitely improving. So his back pain has totally disappeared and now his muscle powers are all good. Lift it up, push it down. Great. So you're feeling good, no? Yeah, just turn around and get up. So this is how we do the patients, mobilize the patient. He has been walking from yesterday itself. He's quite comfortable. So before you go, I think you have to put on a belt. So that's what we advise the patient before he starts walking and moving around. Just apply a corset. It's called the lumbar corset. We just apply it for his comfort. So that's it. Now it's all set. So just take your regular walk. So earlier his walking was not like this. He was walking with pain, with little bit of limp. He was in real struggle. Now he could walk properly. So he's doing his daily routines. He had a shower yesterday and I'll show you just the wound, small wound. Can I show it? Okay, this is the belt and once we remove the belt, just take it off. So this is a small surgical dressing we have given. It's just a waterproof dressing. It's just the incision is just hardly less than a centimeter. A small dressing and no stitches there. So he'll be traveling in a couple of days because of the quarantine issues. He'll be going back to his place. And probably he'll be back to his studies. He's doing his studies in accounting, isn't it? That's what he told me during his surgery. He's preparing for his accounting studies, and he'll be getting back to his studies at the earliest within a week or so. So I wish him all the best. So this is Shyam from Maldives, and is quite good. So all his pain has come down. We'll be just observing him for 1 or 2 days, and he'll be flying back to Maldives to his place. I think there's not much of restrictions in his daily routines. He can do his regular activities except for bending forwards, which he has to take care for a couple of weeks. And he can even drive a small two-wheeler bike, and he can even drive a car. So I think he's getting back to his normal life at the earliest with a small keyhole procedure. So that's a good thing about this procedure. And I wish him all the best. Take care. Okay? Thank you so much. So this is our staff, and I think we're quite happy about our hospital, Kottakkal Aster MIMS in Kottakkal, and they're having a good time here. So all the best. Thank you.